Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the shooting section, or the section of this red camera right here. Then we're going to go to image quality / recording, and here we have aspect ratio. So with this option you can select what ratio your recordings, your photos will be in. So here you can also see the names, so 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, and just select the option that you want, the option that fits you. And once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.